Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in cybersecurity sentiment at plus 0.35, despite a momentum drop of minus 0.35 over the past 24 hours. This divergence is unusual and suggests a rising optimism in sentiment even as activity slows down. Our API returns detailed sentiment data along with semantic clusters that help you understand the underlying themes driving these shifts. For instance, you could leverage this insight to enhance your threat detection systems, adjusting your alerts based on the increased positive sentiment around cybersecurity discussions, despite the dip in activity. Stay ahead of the curve by integrating this valuable data into your applications. For more details on how to get started, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.